This is our 2019 baby Princess Parrot batch. Over on the right here we have Titan, the grandfather.
Father, not grandfather.
The grandfather, as in happy father.
Please explain.
Yes, I just did explain. And in the back we have Keshet, the happy mother. Better terminology for your wifey?
Feathers are going back on her head.
Yes. And over here we have 3 babies, if I can get them into some sort of angle. And there's another blue one in the box. He's right up the top. I don't know if that's going to come out. Oh, yes it is. So he'll probably come out in the next day or two. So we've got 4 babies this time round.
One less than last year.
That's good, wifey. 5 last year, and she's right, 1 less this year. Such a clever woman. So, and Evelyn's going away on Tuesday for a couple of weeks, so that means I'm going to have to look after all these little beauties. Something I'm not that good at, but I guess I'm going to have to make an effort.
Well, since Mother's still feeding them, can't do anything.
Now we can't separate them yet. They're being fed by the mama. Can't separate them, but we'll set up a second cage. Biggest worry, of course, is Titan. Sometimes the fathers are known to attack the babies when they've had enough sharing, because in this case sharing is not caring. That's Titan there. So you just keep an eye out for them, and if you see Titan's getting a bit agitated, then I'll just separate them, put them into another cage. But only if they're feeding themselves. So it's morning time, and we are just about to do their seed. Everyone's started to put some celery and spinach in there, and you can see they're already jockeying. These two are jockeying to get a bit of the action. Titan's having a bit of a drink. Spray, their favourite. Now they'll jump up on that. Of course they won't, because I'm filming. And here we go. Keshet's the boss. She loves her celery, loves her fresh veggies. They're both having a nibble of spinach there. Very placid birds, probably one of the quietest birds you can get as a pet if you're that way inclined.
Mean bone in their bodies.
And the babies up there are getting ready for their morning nap.
They love their broccolini too.
There's some broccolini going in there. Titan's head looks a bit dishevelled from obviously being picked a bit from the babies.
That's Keshet.
Oh, Keshet, I mean, she's lost some feathers in her head. They'll grow back, no big deal. I guess that's what you'd call a working class mum. Whereas Titan's all regal, hasn't lost a feather. That's what you'd call a smart dad.
He doesn't feed, he does nothing.
Yeah, he does all the work at the beginning and then sits back and watches. Hey? Hey, Titan? Such a clever bird.
Obviously an Australian bird.
Why you're called a princess parrot, you should be called a prince parrot.
Bad jokes.
Okay. Time to feed you. Okay, up here, you guys? Yeah, it's all nap time over here.
big yawns.
Yep, babies are clever. They'll keep to themselves and they'll keep out of the way. Okay, catch you later, babies.